So this is my soon-to-be seed starting setup. So you can see I have a couple of the bamboo mini Growlight garden sets from Gardener Supply. And in the middle, I've got a grow light that is sort of stuck to the underside of my bookcase. So I am going to kind of walk you through what I did there. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we have an extreme close-up here.
Extreme close-up! Wow!
And you can see that this is the underside of the shelf underneath where I'm going to put my new Gardener Supply grow light. So what I did was I bought the 2-foot LED grow light that has the magnetic clips. And I am going to use a tiny little metal piece that I got at Lowe's to attach this to the underside of the bookcase. I got these bookcases on sale at Hobby Lobby. They were getting rid of their display bookshelves. They are incredibly sturdy, very strong, and I think this is going to work beautifully. I've already installed one, which you've seen, and now I'm going to install the second one. All right, so you can see the grow light here. I got it plugged in, making sure that it works. Right? Super bright. Sorry about that. Should have warned you first. So what I've got, pull these out of a little package, are 2 magnetic clips that come with it. So, a little magnetic clip, and they just go on the back side, like so. And you would think that you need to spend a ton of money on metal shelving so you can do this, but you don't. Yeah, those are super strong magnets. They really are. Good grief. Yeah. So what I did, instead of paying a lot of money for metal shelves that I can't afford, I bought, what are these called? Mending braces. And you can see how small this is. Perfect to install on the underside of a wood cabinet. I got these at Lowe's. They're in the aisle with like corner metal brackets and door plates. Yeah, I mean, clearly you got to go to your own Lowe's. But yeah, so this is a 4-count mending brace, 2-inch. This will work like a charm. And when I first went in to buy these, I made sure that they would stick. So I'm going to install these, and then I will show you the finished product. Okay, so it's not really clear from here, but I did use 2 plates instead of 1. Last time I was wise enough to buy some smaller screws. So here's the plate. See, it's got 2 holes. And here are the screws. And I seated that first one really firmly, and lo and behold, it just popped out of the top. And I had remembered that last time I'd actually bought screws that are shorter than this. I want to say these are 3/4 of an inch. These are 3/4 of an inch screw, and that cabinet shelf is almost exactly 3/4 of an inch with that plate on it. So I used 2 plates. They come in packs of 4. So I just put 2 on there. I backed it out. I gently fixed it from the top with a hammer because I didn't let myself go all the way through. And I just went ahead and popped 2 plates on top of each other. So just kind of a warning that you should be more careful like I was the first time, and make sure you know how thick your shelf is. Something told me when I was at Lowe's that I should go look at screws, but I didn't. So that's okay, because this is the last light that I'm installing, which means I'm done after this. Any lower to the ground than these are, and my cat will be getting up into my seeds starting. Right now he leaves everything alone, but I cannot tempt him. So let me finish this up and then I'll show you.
20 minutes later.
Okay, you can see the aftermath of me arguing quite not so cheerfully with this thing. I've got my drill out because I ended up using my drill. I did not need to actually use a drill bit. I used the screwdriver bit because this is a very sturdy pressed wood. So let me clean this up and then I will show you how this goes on. So I am going to go ahead and put these clamps on. Super easy. They just clip on really firmly. Yep. There we go. So I'm going to make sure that they're lined up, and off we go to the races. So I've adjusted the clips, which is really nice. You kind of have to struggle with them a little bit to put them on and off. You can't just slide them up and down, but that means it's really, really sturdy. And here we go. Boop, boop. They fit right between those screws, which is super awesome. Come over here, give it a little, there we go. Scooch it over and boop. Yes, I like sound effects. So, turn it on. Bam! Oh my God, I'm so excited. Love that. So now I've got 2 shelves that I will be using for seed starting that were originally a bookcase. And I am going to buy some more of these galvanized trays. So Gardener Supply sells these trays that you can put in the top of your bamboo grow light set to keep the water off of the wood in this case. So I'm going to see if they have a slightly larger tray and, you know, I'll measure this and see what I can find. If not, last time I did seed starting on top of a wood bookcase, I literally just put down like a vinyl tablecloth, seriously. And I'm going to be using a heat mat for my seeds, so I don't care. It'll be fine. All right, let me clean up my mess and then I will show you kind of what the whole thing looks like. All right, so you can see here they have been installed. I've done a little creative rearranging, and I even had my husband install 2 other grow lights that I'd bought from the ceiling. So they're kind of spotlights now, and I will be using those as well. So thanks for going on this journey with me, and have fun gardening. Bye.